And good morning, everyone. Okay, so before we start with our topic, let us review first about how to graph the given linear inequality into variables. Okay, so I have here an activity. You're going to arrange the activity from number 1 to number 5. So based on the given statement, what do you think is the step 1 in graphing linear inequality into variable? Anyone? Okay, yes, Malabanan? Okay, very good. So our step 1 is we need to write first the inequality in equation form. So after writing, what's next? Okay, yes, Tambawan. Okay, very good. We need to find the x and the y intercept. After getting the x and the y intercept, okay, our next step is we need to plot. After plotting, what's next? Yes, Francisco. Okay, very good. We need to connect the points by a line or either a solid line or a broken. Okay, kailan natin ginagamit class ang solid line? Kapag ano po? Give me one example of inequality. Kailan natin ginagamit yung solid line? And if the inequality symbol is greater than or equal to another, we have less than or equal to. Or just simply tandaan, pag may guhit sa baba, the line is a solid. Do you understand? Okay, na kapag naman broken line, we can use a broken line if the inequality symbol is greater than or less than. Okay, step number 4. So after connecting the 2 points, what's next? Oh, yes, Iho.
Test point.
Okay, test point. And the last one is the shaded region. If the test point is true, isi-shade natin yung part na kung saan nandun si origin. Kapag naman false, iiwasan naman natin si origin. Okay, this time our topic is all about a system of linear inequality into variables. Okay, class, in graphing a system of linear inequality into variables, so this is just like graphing a linear inequality. So, ang pinagkaiba lang, when we say system, ilang equation ang pinag-uusapan na? More than 1 na. So, commonly, 2 or 3. Okay, depende yun sa given expression. Graphing linear inequality into variables. So, ang last step natin ay nag-ano tayo? Nag-shade. At yung shaded part na yon, anong tawag natin? Solution set. So now, what if the given is more than 1 inequality? So ano kaya yung magiging solution set natin? Ito po yon. Okay, the solution of system of linear inequalities are the points or set of ordered pairs that satisfy both inequalities. Okay, it is where shaded region of each inequality overlap. Pag sinabi nating overlap, ano po yon? Kung saan sila patong or nagbangga. So, meaning, based on the graph, okay, meron tayong dalawang shaded part. Ano yung unang color? Pink. Yung nasa taas. Okay, kung saan nag-overlap, class, iyon lang po yung solution set niya. Meaning, itong part na itong pink na to at yung green sa taas ay hindi siya kabilang sa ating solution set. Tatandaan, kung saan lang dapat sila nag-overlap, nagpatong, iyon lang ang magiging solution set. Okay, so our given inequality is we have y is greater than or equal to x plus 3 and the second one is y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 4. So what we're going to do is we need to graph the given system of linear inequalities into variables. Okay, so step 1, so just like in procedure in graphing a linear inequality. Okay, so step 1, write first the inequality. Y is greater than or equal to x plus 3. What is the step 1 in graphing linear inequality into variables? So we're going to write the given inequality in equation. So this will become
Y equals x.
Then step 2, what we're going to do? We need to get the x and the y intercept. Okay, so how to get the x intercept?
That y is equal to
Okay, very good. That y is equal to 0. So this will become 0 is equal to x plus 3. Commonly, ang ating variable ay laging nasaan? Right or left? Left. What we're going to do here? We need to move or transfer out x to the left side of the equation. Negative. Now, what will be the sign of x? Negative. Okay, so this will become negative x is equal to 3. Do you think this is the value of x na?
No.
No, because the sign of x is what?
Negative.
Okay, what we're going to do?
Times
We're going to multiply both sides by negative 1. Para maging?
positive.
Okay, negative times negative.
Positive.
Then positive times negative. What is the ordered pair? What is x?
3.
What is x?
3.
3. What is y?
0.
Okay, then after getting the x-intercept, let us proceed now by the y-intercept. Now, how to get the y-intercept? Let x is equal to, this will become what? Y is equal to 0 plus, simplify, 0 plus 3. Okay, y is equal to, ordered pair, 0, 3. After getting the x and the y-intercept, our next step is we need to, step number 3, connect the points. But before that, we need to plot first the given. Using a Cartesian plane. So we have first 3, 0. Where's the direction? Sorry, positive 3 times negative. Sorry, negative pala ito. So we have negative 3, 0. Going to the left. 1, 2, 3. And then after that, we have 0, 3. Positive, right, up, down. Up. So we have 1, 2, 3. Then after that, step number 3 na. Connect the 2 points using what kind of a line? Solid line. Okay, then after that, what is the next step? Step number 4. Okay, test point. So test point, use 0, 0. Kanino po? Kay equation, kay inequality? Inequality. So we have 0 is greater than or equal to 0 plus 0 plus 3. Okay, true or false? Okay, false. So dahil false yan, where's the shaded part? Below or above? Okay, so shade the region na kung saan wala si origin. Okay, so after that, natapos na tayo ng 1 to 5. Proceed na tayo kay second inequality. So same procedure kung ano yung ginawa natin kanina. Okay, so the second one is y. Ano gagawin natin? Step 1, change the inequality as equation. Y is equal to negative 2x plus 4. Then after that, get the x-intercept and the y-intercept. How to get the x-intercept? Then, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. This will become 0 is equal to negative 2x plus 4. What we're going to do? What we're going to do to find the exact value of x? Yes, Peralta? Okay, very good. We need to move negative 2x to the left. What will be the sign? After that, divide both side by 2. Okay, cancel. What is the value of x? Ordered pair. 2, dito na lang tayo sa y-intercept. So, y is equal to y-intercept. So, to get the y-intercept, let x is equal to, this will become, y is equal to negative 2 times 0 plus 4. Negative 2 times 0. 0. Okay, 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4. 4. Okay, ordered pair. 0, 4. Okay, plot na natin. First, 2, 0. Positive 2. Where's the direction? Right. So, we have 1, 2. Then, positive 4. Up. 1, 2, 3. Connect the 2 points using what? Solid line. Yes, isa lang po Cartesian plane. Then, next step is test point for number 2. Okay, 0, 0. To the given inequality. 0 less than or equal to negative 2 times plus 4. 2 times 0. Minus 4, plus 4. True or false? True or false? True. Okay, true. Therefore, where is the shaded part? Right or left? Left.
Please always.
Ito lahat yun.
Same shade. Secondary shade.
Okay, so the question is, saan nag-overlap ang dalawang shaded part? Okay, so this is the solution set. Okay, sa upper left. So ito lang yun, class. Mula dito, hanggang dito lang po.
Shade.
Okay, that is the solution set to the given linear inequality. Class.